Breaking news. Missiles are flying across the sky, drones are crossing borders, and the world is watching closely. Recent tensions involving Iran and Israel have once again raised questions about modern warfare. But here's something most people don't realize. The wars happening today are very different from the wars of the past. In the past, wars were fought mainly by soldiers on the ground. During World War I, battles were fought in trenches using rifles and artillery. Later, World War II introduced powerful tanks, fighter aircraft, and radar systems. These technologies changed warfare forever. But after World War II, something even more powerful appeared: missile technology. During the Cuban Missile Crisis, the entire world came dangerously close to nuclear war. Since then, missile systems have become faster, more accurate, and far more dangerous. One of the biggest changes in modern warfare is the rise of drones. Unlike fighter jets, drones can fly without a pilot. One well-known example is the Shahed 136. This drone can travel long distances, circle above an area, and strike its target when the moment is right. But if missiles and drones are constantly flying through the sky, how do countries protect their cities? This is where advanced defense systems come in. The Iron Dome detects incoming rockets using radar and destroys them in midair. Sometimes the entire process takes less than a minute. Modern conflicts show how important technology has become. For example, the Russia-Ukraine war has demonstrated the massive role of drones, satellite intelligence, and precision weapons. Today's battlefields combine traditional military power with cutting-edge technology. But experts believe the next generation of warfare could look even more advanced. Future technologies may include AI-controlled drone swarms, autonomous defense systems, and hypersonic missiles traveling faster than sound. These weapons could change warfare in ways we have never seen before. As technology continues to evolve, one question becomes more important than ever. If machines become faster and smarter than humans, how much control will people really have in the wars of the future? The future of warfare may depend more on technology than ever before. If you enjoy learning about technology, innovation, and global events, make sure to subscribe for more videos.